Hi, this is Jim Wyckoff with your weekly 5M Publishing Grain Market Outlook. As we start the week, U.S. corn and soybean harvest is virtually complete, so the grain market traders are going to start looking at other factors, namely the start of the planting and growing season in South America for corn and soybeans. Right now, there has been favorable weather and good moisture in most of the regions in South American corn and soybean areas, so that's a bit of a bearish factor. For the corn market, we had news last Friday that the Environmental Protection Agency is going to reduce the required amount of ethanol as a fuel additive in U.S. gasoline, so that was a bearish knock on the corn market. We do see corn futures prices trading near 3-year lows on Monday morning based partly upon that news. Also for the corn market, we've got some weak basis levels in the cash market that indicate hefty supplies that have recently come onto the market, so that's a bearish factor. Taking a look at soybeans, we've got ideas of a record South American crop to be grown this coming year that is limiting the upside in the soybean market. From a technical perspective, the soybean market remains in a neutral posture. The bulls have faded a little bit. Going back to corn, the corn market remains in a fully bearish technical posture. Wouldn't surprise me, though, in the corn market to see prices trade sideways here for the next several weeks, as we are at 3-year lows, and we are likely to attract some value buying interest at those levels. Looking at the wheat market, fully technically bearish, prices in a near-term downtrend. The wheat market is going to be a follower of the corn market here in the next few weeks. We also have some beneficial moisture in the U.S. wheat regions, the winter wheat regions, that has fallen recently, and that's another bearish factor for the corn market. So looking ahead this week, we're going to look at export data that is announced on a daily basis for any surprises. We have seen some demand for U.S. soybeans coming out of China. We'll look for some more of that to possibly happen this week for the bullish camp. Otherwise, just daily export sales announcements, and Thursday's weekly USD export sales will be watched closely. That's it for now. Jim Wyckoff reporting.